Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful teapot. So let's get started. I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project and this white yarn. To start, first of all make a slip knot, and then with the help of crochet hook we would make chains for our project. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and we have to work into the first chain. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the first chain and then draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now into the same chain make double crochet 2, then make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. In this way make total of 12 double crochet stitches. I have made 12 double crochet stitches into the first chain. Now go into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch into it. Our first round is completed. Now make 2 chains to start the second round, and into the same stitch where we have made a slip stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same. Then go into the second stitch and make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Go into the next one and make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Go into the fourth stitch and make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this round make 2 double crochet in each stitch and complete all double crochet stitches. So in the end make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, then make 2 chains, go into the same double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Then go into the next stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2. Then go into the next one and make 1 double crochet. Then go into the next one and make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2. Go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Then go into the next one again and make 2 double crochet stitches in it. So in this round we would make 2 double crochet in one stitch and 1 double crochet in the next one, and repeat the process and complete this third round. So I have made all double crochet stitches. Now to finish this round make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch of this round and start making fourth round. So make 2 chains and into the very first double crochet stitch make a double crochet, then go into the next stitch and make a double crochet, and into the third one do an increase. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now go into the next stitch and make a double crochet, go into the next one and make a double crochet, then go into the third stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches in it, 1 and 2. So in this way make 2 double crochet stitches in the next 2 stitches, and into the third stitch we would do an increase again by making 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So in this fourth round we would do an increase after every 2 stitches and we would complete our fourth round. So I have made all double crochet stitches of the fourth round. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. Now we would do an increase after 3 stitches. So make a double crochet into the very first double crochet stitch, then make a double crochet into the next stitch, which is the second one, then make a double crochet into the third stitch, and after these 3 stitches into the fourth one we would do an increase. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this stitch. Now make double crochet 1 into the next, double crochet 2 into the next, then make double crochet 3 into the next stitch, and after that double crochet 2 times into the fourth stitch, 1 and 2. So in this way make 3 double crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches, and then into the fourth one we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So into this fourth stitch make 2 double crochet stitches. So in this way repeat the process and complete this fourth round. Make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. Sorry, this was the 5th round. So our fifth round is completed. Now make 2 chains and make a double crochet into the very first double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet into the next, make a double crochet into the next one again, and then make a double crochet into the fourth stitch, and after these 4 stitches into the 5th one do an increase. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this 5th stitch. Now make 4 double crochet stitches into the next 4 stitches. And into the 5th one make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, which is our increased stitch. So do an increase after every 4th stitch into the 5th and complete this 6th round. So I have made all double crochet stitches of 6th round. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch of this round and start the 7th round. So make 2 chains and into the very first double crochet stitch make a double crochet, then make a double crochet into the second stitch, then into the third one, after that into the fourth one and into the 5th one, and after these 5 stitches into the 6th one do an increase by making 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, 1 and then 2. So do an increase in every 7th stitch and complete this round. So make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch and our 7th round is completed. Now we would start our 8th round. So make 2 chains, make double crochet 1 into the first stitch, double crochet 2 into the next, double crochet 3 into the third one, double crochet 4 into the 4th stitch, double crochet 5 into the 5th one, and then double crochet 6 into the 6th stitch, and after that into the 7th stitch do an increase by making double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So do an increase in every 7th stitch in this 8th round and complete this round. So I have made all double crochet stitches of the 8th round, and now we would change the color. Now I am using this dark purple color yarn. So now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch with this change color yarn and pull the yarn a little bit. Now make chain 1, go into this same double crochet stitch and make a single crochet, then again into the same stitch make a single crochet again, make chain 1, skip 1 double crochet stitch and into the next make single crochet 1, then into the same stitch make single crochet 2, then make chain 1 again and skip 1 stitch, into the next one make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2, make chain 1 again, skip 1 stitch, go into the next one and make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch, again make chain 1, skip 1 single double crochet stitch, go into the next one and make 2 single crochet stitches in it, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. So now repeat the process of making 2 single crochet stitches, chain 1, skipping 1 stitch and make 2 single crochets in the next. Now cut this white yarn and remove it and repeat the process and complete this 9th round. So I have made my 9th round. Now in the last make chain 1 and then into the first single crochet stitch right here make a slip stitch, now to start the next round make chain 1 and we would work into the chain 1 space between the single crochet stitches. So in this chain 1 space make single crochet, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and make a single crochet into the same chain 1. A loop will be created like that. Now go into the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet in it, then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and make a single crochet into this chain 1 space, then make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and after 4 chains make a single crochet into the same chain 1 space, so the loops will be created like that. And now into the next chain 1 space make a single crochet, make 4 chains and then make a single crochet into the same chain 1 space. So in this way repeat the process of making 4 chains and 2 single crochets in every chain 1 space and complete this round. Now in the last make chain 1 and then make a single crochet into the chain 4 space of loop, then make 4 chains and make a single crochet into this chain 4 space of loop, then go into the next chain 4 space of loop and make a single crochet in it, then make 4 chains again and after these 4 chains make a single crochet into the same chain 4 space. Then go into the next chain 4 space and make a single crochet in it, and make 4 chains again and make a single crochet into the same chain 4 space. After that, into the next one make a single crochet and make 4 chains again, and then make a single crochet into the chain 4 space. So in this way repeat the process and complete this round till the end. So I have made all the round. Now in the last make a slip stitch into the chain 1, pull the yarn and cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now make knots of these 2 yarn strands 2 times, and with the help of tapestry needle weave out all these yarn ends. So I have woven all these yarn strands. Now cut them with the help of cutter, and our teapot is ready. So if you like this video, give it big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.